What's good, guys? I'm your guy, I'm your boy, I'm your papi, Kadjo, Sarabia. And for today, I'm gonna drop some lifestyle content for you as we do a sneaker unboxing and an on-fit review of the new Jordan 1 Low's New Beginnings. Let's go! Welcome to the channel, guys. So, Jordan brand has been very aggressive lately with their Jordan 1 Low releases since last year. They show no signs of slowing down, and with the increasing popularity of Jordan 1 Lows here in the Philippines, talaga namang palagi itong sold out first day pa lang ng release. I'm fortunate enough to be able to get a pair from a reseller for a fair price. Pero if you would buy this sa mismong Nike or Jordan store, it will just cost you 5k pesos for the SRP price. Straight from the box, what I love about this shoe is its aesthetics. Sobrang linis, simple, and huge fan talaga ako ng red and white colorway, and it worked perfect sa design na to. The shoe is made from a good quality aesthetic leather. Kita mo naman dito. Even the swoosh, ang ganda ng quality, very leather. Yun nga lang, pag feeling ko, pag overused na siya, madali siyang makabuo ng crease. This part, ayan o. Gusto ko yung ginawa nila sa tongue part, which is makapal, and kitang-kita yung Jumpman logo. Yun nga lang, sa likod, mas maganda sana kung ginawa nilang white ang color nito, para mas kitang-kita yung logo sa likod. Pero overall, I really like the embroidering here na ginawa. For me, this is a very versatile shoe. You can rock this anywhere. You can pair it with joggers, jeans, and it goes pretty well din sa shorts. Ang gusto kong look dito is pair it with loose chino pants or cargo pants, which everybody loves now. So there you have it. If you like this video, please do hit that subscribe button down below. And for those na nakasubscribe na, maraming salamat po. More contents coming your way. Please don't forget to click that bell button so whenever I upload my next video, you'll get notified. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.